Tomer Hemed returns from a 3-match ban as Brighton host Southampton on Nissan Super Sunday, live on Sky Sports Premier League. Tomer Hemed returns from a 3-match ban as Brighton host Southampton on Nissan Super Sunday, live on Sky Sports Premier League. The striker was hit with the suspension after an alleged stamp on Newcastle's DeAndre Yedlin last month. Hemed scored the winner in that game but, in his absence, the Seagulls have taken 4 points from 3 games, including a 3-0 victory at West Ham last time out. Defender Bruno is set to make his 200th appearance for Brighton, and said, "Our aim is to be really strong at home, that's what we want and have to achieve." But we know we aren't always going to win at home. It's going to be a big game, because to get to 14 points would be unbelievable for us. Southampton have struggled for goals this season and needed a brilliant individual effort from substitute Sofiane Boufal to beat West Brom last weekend. The goal was only the 8th that Southampton have scored in the Premier League, and defender Maya Yoshida hopes it sparks an improvement. "If the guy from the bench came on and has shown that quality, it is a message to other players," he said. "Their feeling will be I have to score, I have to show something like this. That's the kind of competition we needed and he's shown it." Watch a preview of Sunday's Premier League fixtures as Brighton host Southampton and Everton travel to Leicester City. Steve Sidwell is Brighton's only long-term absentee, with Sam Baldock and Baram Kyle challenging for places in the squad after featuring for the under-23s recently. Midfielder Mario Lemina misses out for Southampton with an ankle injury, while Boufal is pushing for only his second Premier League start of the season after his winner last weekend. Brighton have won just 2 of their last 13 games against Southampton in all competitions, W2D4L7. Their last top-flight victory over Saints came in December 1981. Southampton have won more Premier League away matches in 2017, 5, than they have at home, 4. Only Crystal Palace, 1.9%, have converted a lower proportion of their total shots in the Premier League than Southampton, 5.8%, this season. Southampton were also the worst side in the 2016-17 Premier League for shot conversion rate, 7.5%. Pascal Gross has been involved in 6 of Brighton's 9 Premier League goals this season, 2 goals, 4 assists. Gross has already equaled his tally of assists, 4, in both the 2016-17 and 2015-16 Bundesliga seasons, whilst at FC Ingolstadt 04. Sky Sports News reporter Gary Cotterill visits Brighton's 84-year-old superfan ahead of their game against Southampton. "I'm going for Brighton. they are doing okay this season and Southampton don't blow teams away. You are always in the game against them because they don't score many, and Brighton will be full of confidence after that 3-0 win at West Ham. It should be close, but I'm edging for the home side. Southampton are 13/10 favourites at Brighton on Sunday, with the home side 9/4 and the draw at 2-1. Manolo Gabbiadini is 9/2 favourite in the first goal scorer betting, with Charlie Austin and Shane Long both 11/2 with Tomer Hemed and Glenn Murray both on offer at 6-1 for the Seagulls.